Hi, I'm Patrick Hopper, publisher of Embedded Computing Design, and we're live at Automate here in Detroit. And I'm here in the Cincoze booth talking with my old friend Daniel Huang.
Hi, Patrick.
Good to see you.
Yeah, nice to have you.
Tell our audience what's going on here at the Cincoze booth.
Hi, everyone. I'm Daniel Huang. I'm the sales manager from Cincoze, and we are an IPC manufacturer dedicated our lives to edge computing. So we have 4 major product lines: the rugged computing line for harsh environment, the industrial panel PC for HMI solutions, the GPU computing lines for industrial AI automation, and our latest product line, the DIN rail computing, the machine computing line.
Well, speaking of DIN rail, I know we have the MD-3000 right here.
Absolutely. I'm holding our latest model, the MD-3000. So it is a high-performance and scalable DIN rail computer, which is composed of 3 parts. So the computer module, and the extension module, and the I/O modules. So just picture it. Traditionally, if you want to customize a computer, you will need to go through a lengthy research and development time, and that also symbols a lot of cost. But with MD-3000, we push things to the next level. So all you need to do to customize your very own computer is just 3 simple steps. So first of all, you choose your computer module, which is powered by Intel 14th generation Core i processor. Pretty powerful stuff.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, and then you choose your expansion box. So we offer 2 DEC, 4 DECs, and 6 DEC. So, and then you choose your expansion modules. Cincoze, we offer around 20 different expansion modules, including I/O ports, wireless communication, storage, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, just put them together like this. So the flexibility and scalability is what excites me the most. And just think about it, in future upgrades, all you need to do is to choose different extension box. You don't need to change the entire system all over again. So this again will save your total cost of ownership, and also it's environmental friendly.
Great. And so what applications are they being used in?
Yes, great question, Patrick. So this would be ideal for machinery automation and in control cabinet. Its compact size makes it easy to deploy into it. And all the I/O ports are facing front, making the configuration and connection really easy.
So to learn more about Cincoze, come to Automate Detroit 2025, visit them in the Cincoze booth, or visit them online at
Cincoze.com.
Thanks,
so Cincoze, we are the experts in embedded computing.
Thanks,
Patrick.